What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays. As you guys already know, we're having a special Black Friday deal that I think everybody's going to be super excited for. We did something like this last year, and now it's the same time, by the same time of the year again. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you $2,000 off of my flagship program, right? One of my most expensive programs that I have, the ATM Freedom University mastermind program, and I'm giving you $2,000 off. Okay, $2,000 off of this program, but you still get all the same guarantees. So let's jump into what exactly the mastermind is. So the mastermind is essentially a one-on-one coaching program. So it's a lot more hands-on than most of these programs out there, because you're actually going to be working one-on-one with me. You're going to be jumping on phone calls with me. You're going to be having discussions with our team. We're going to have live sessions. There's a lot of good things that come with this, because I'm actually able to devote my actual time to making sure you're successful, right? So again, it comes with the one-on-one mentorship. We're going to create your website. We're going to create your business logo, your business cards, flyers, all that good stuff. We're going to provide you with your site location agreement, all the legal documentation to get your business bank account open, and then you're going to get access, unlimited access, to the ATM Freedom University program. So this program does not have an expiration date. So once you're in, you're in. Right? So like we talked about, we have one-on-one calls that you're going to have access to, so that way we can discuss all the different negotiations that you're going to have with all of the clients that we're actually going to bring your way, right? Because we're going to help you get those clients. Okay, so we're going to be going over the exact process that we use to find profitable locations, and we have a lead generation system, and this lead generation system that we have been using will essentially take you out of the cold calling phase. Now, a lot of us, what we're doing is we're cold calling and doing cold walk-ins, and all of that stuff is really good to do to build up your confidence. But if you really want to be a world-class leader, and you really want to be a CEO and not just a worker inside your business, you want to have clients coming to you, right? So what you're going to do is implement our lead generation system. So every week you're going to have 3 to 5 clients or more reaching out to you saying, hey, I heard you had an ATM. And it's going to be up to you to go through them and then decide if they're going to be a good fit for you. And obviously I'm going to be there to help you, but this is the way that our lead generation system is set up. So that way you'll never have to go do another cold call again, because all of your clients with the click of a mouse are going to come right to you. Okay, and this is something that we only teach our private students, right? So you're going to still get access to that. Now, a couple of things, guys. When you join this program, you're guaranteed your business bank account, right? You're guaranteed. Okay, when you come on board with us, you're guaranteed to have your account open, right? And what we mean by that is, when you come on board with us, not only are we going to provide you with everything you need to get your bank account open, but even if you have a hard time with all of these different banks that you might go to, we know all of the gray areas, right? If you can't figure out and learn the gray areas from someone who has almost a decade of experience, then you're just not going to be successful at all, right? So we're going to make sure that you get your bank account up and running, because the top 2 things that stop IADs from getting started is getting the business bank account and getting your clients. Okay, so we got both of those handled, right? So we guarantee that if within 30 to 45 days, if you don't have a client, I'll personally find a client for you in your city or your state, right? Now, and what we mean is, once you are ready to take on the client, so once you have your business bank account set up, 30 to 45 days from that date, if you still don't have a client after implementing our lead generation system and doing everything that I tell you to do, I'm going to find you a client myself. Okay, and it doesn't mean that I need to go to your specific area. We have a team that can bring on people from anywhere in the United States that would want to work with you in your city or your state, so you're good to go there. So as you can see, guys, you're gonna get all of this and these guarantees for just $9.97 one time. Okay, and this sale, this $2,000 off, is gonna be over November 30th. Okay, so November 30th is when this is all going to be over with. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to actually take a couple of seconds and kind of go into more in depth of the actual ATM Freedom University, so that you can take a look at what it is that you get once you enroll. So as you can see here, this section here is our resources section. This is all documents. This is workbooks, ACH authorization forms, applications for ATMs, processing agreement examples, bad processing agreement examples, different bank letters, legal documentation from the government, the Financial Crimes Network, wireless application forms. We have a lot of stuff just in the resources section here, and as well as access to me, my contact information, and a link to our private student Facebook group. Okay, then we have our mastermind weekly recordings. As you can see here, these are super in-depth videos. See, this one 102 minutes, 74 minutes, 46 minutes, 49 minutes. Going through just this 6-week mastermind here will make you an expert at the game. Okay, you will not have any issues getting clients once you go through this content. And then we have our lead generation system that we talked about, right? We take about 35 minutes to go over and break down and explain how to implement this into your business. So if you can't implement this and be successful, then I don't know what to tell you, right? And then we record all of our live Q&A sessions. Okay, so this one was 53 minutes. The one after that was 71 minutes. And these are not just where we're hanging out, we're just talking, just whatever. We're actually tackling different scenarios, different situations in these live streams. And the reason we have them is just so that when you guys run into issues, we can knock those out together and post it so that other people can do the same thing and get everything together. So what I want you to do, guys, if you're interested, and I'm going to actually go to my channel here. If you're interested, what you're going to do is you're going to go to a video. You're going to go in the description of that video, and in the description is going to be a link. So you're going to click the link that's going to be in the description, or it's going to be pinned in the comments, and that is where the link to apply for the program is. There's no application. It's just going to be a sales form. You put your information in, you pay the $9.97, and then you get an immediate email with all of your login information. Then you're going to get brought into the Facebook group, and then I'm going to personally welcome you to the Facebook group. Okay, so this is actually open to everybody, but only until November 30th. So remember, the form, the sales page, is actually going to be right here at the very top of the description, and it's going to be in the comment section if you're interested. All right, so hopefully that was valuable to you guys. Hopefully you guys are excited to do this. I know I'm excited to bring on a lot more people. And again, this is $2,000 off. This is normally a $3,000 program, and this Black Friday sale is going to end on November 30th, right? So drop any questions that you might have in the comment section, and I'll get right back to you.